They say love conquers all. Actually, no. Because sometimes love can barely survive a passive-aggressive text. Let's talk about compatibility. Not chemistry, not butterflies, not whether you both like sushi or hate camping. Compatibility, the real kind. The kind that makes or breaks relationships when the dopamine wears off and you're stuck choosing throw pillows with someone who doesn't understand your sarcasm. Here are 7 signs you're not compatible with your partner, even if you really, really want to be. Number 1, you don't get each other. Not in the cute, mysterious, oh they're so deep kind of way. More like, why are you mad? I'm not mad. You talk, they don't hear you. They talk, you hear something else. You're always missing each other.
I just need space right now.
So you're breaking up with me? When you're compatible, there's the shared emotional language, even if it's full of typos. You don't need subtitles to know what they're feeling. Number 2, you're too different. Yes, opposites attract, but sometimes that spark turns into static when the day-to-day realities don't line up. It's fun at first. He's loud and spontaneous, you're quiet and anxious. He loves skydiving, you love being alive.
Babe, let's do ayahuasca in the jungle with strangers. It'll be healing.
I just healed from food poisoning at Olive Garden. Let me sit this one out. If you can't connect on core values like how you handle money, fight, rest, or show love, then all the quirky differences become incompatibilities. Not soulmates, just roommates with Wi-Fi issues. Number 3, you're trying to change each other. Growth is good, but trying to reshape someone into your version of better rarely ends well. If they hate how you dress, who you're friends with, or how often you need reassurance, and they're not gently curious but quietly disapproving, that's not love. You shouldn't feel like a walking self-improvement project just to be loved. Real growth starts with self-want, not shame. If they can't love the version of you that exists now, they're not building a relationship. They're loving the version of you that fits into their comfort zone, not the one that actually exists. Number 4, you argue all the time, or not at all. Fighting isn't the problem. It's how you fight, and why. If you're constantly bickering over crumbs, emojis, or imagined tones, something deeper is off. Resentment usually wears a disguise, sarcasm, eye rolls, or the phrase, I'm fine. But on the flip side, if you never argue and everything's always chill, you might not be honest. If honesty feels risky, the peace probably isn't peace at all. It's just fear wearing a smile. Healthy compatibility means being able to disagree without destruction. Disagreeing means you both show up. Number 5, you avoid the hard stuff. When conversations about the future, commitment, or what's really bothering you feels off limits, you're not building a relationship. You're stacking silence where there should have been real conversations. Compatibility doesn't mean never having conflict. It means knowing you'll be met when you bring it up.
Why are you distant lately?
Because last time I brought something up, you ghosted for 2 days and sent a meme. If your partner avoids anything uncomfortable, they're not a safe space. They shut down when things get real, and you're left knocking with all of your feelings in your hand. Number 6, you're isolated. Do you only hang out with each other? Have you met their friends, their mom, their dog, or are they suspiciously solo in every area of life? If your relationship lives in a vacuum, you might mistake intensity for intimacy. Compatibility includes a shared world, not just a shared couch. Number 7, there's no attraction. Even if it's all great on paper, therapy goals, values align, nobody yells. The truth is, if you don't want to kiss them, it's friendship.
You're not even trying to be romantic.
I am. I didn't flinch when you put your cold feet on me last night. Attraction doesn't need to be explosive, but it should exist. If you're constantly hoping it'll show up after more healing, more dates, or more time, it might never arrive, and that's okay. But it also means you're not compatible, you're just close. Compatibility isn't about checking every box. It's about feeling seen without performing, known without decoding, and safe without hiding. The scariest truth, sometimes the person who seems so close to being right for you is actually the one keeping you stuck. Because the almost right one gives us hope. They give us effort, but not consistency. Affection, but not safety. Promises, but not peace. So ask yourself, does this relationship feel like home or like homework? If you've spent this whole relationship walking on eggshells, trying not to be too much or too little, maybe it's time to stop managing someone else's emotions and start tending to your own. That's where online therapy comes in. No performance, no pressure, just space to figure out what you want, what you feel, and what kind of love actually feels like home. The link's below. You deserve support that doesn't come with conditions. If this hits a little too hard, Good. That means you're waking up. Subscribe for more truth slaps, skits, and soft callouts, because around here, subscriptions are my love language. I'll see you in the next one.